the pandemic of the unvaccinated.
COVID-19 cases continue to rise in all 50 states, particularly in areas with low vaccinations.
This is becoming a pandemic of the unvaccinated.
We are seeing an increase in cases. We're seeing an increase in hospitalizations. And we're even starting to see an uptick in deaths in the U.S. But these are occurring almost completely among people who have not yet been vaccinated. The term the pandemic of the unvaccinated really refers to these increases that are occurring among people who are not yet protected by vaccine. The Delta variant is contributing to the increases that we're seeing right now in the US and across the world, mainly because it is so much more transmissible. The fact that we're seeing about 97% of hospitalized patients with COVID unvaccinated, so very few vaccinated people being hospitalized. Really, the goal of the vaccines is to prevent severe illness, hospitalization, and death. And right now, we have good evidence that that is, in fact, what the vaccines are doing. We're not in the same situation that we were earlier in 2021. 250 or more deaths per day in the US now. Back in the winter, it was more than 3,000. But of course, if there's a lot of transmission in the community, then the whole community is at somewhat more risk. This virus is changing rapidly. And so it's very important for people to stay tuned to their public health officials and to CDC guidance so that we can be up to date and ready to handle this virus as it continues to change and as the evidence continues to become clearer.